Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is a true cottage garden tour. Welcome to the enhancing world of a true cottage garden. As you step into the pictures heaven, you will be immersed in us different type of colors, fragrance and texture that invoke the charm of the beautiful era. Let's embark on a virtual tour of a quite less cottage garden. Enter way. Pass through a rustic wooden gate adorned with climbing roses. The entrance set the tone with an explosion of blooms and sense of so flower border. Stroll along meandering pathways lined with exuberant flowering border, delicate daisies, vibrant lupins, and cheerful cornflowers in the breeze, showcasing a different type of colors. Mixed planting. Discover the artful combination of flowers, herb, and vegetable, each contributing to the visual tapestry. Fragrant lavender with aromatic basil, while poppies and iris create a different beautiful fragrance. Sitting areas. Houses cozy nook tucked beneath arching entresses. So, climbing roses and vines. Marvel at climbing roses that cascade over archways, their delicate petals creating a dreamy backdrop. This is adding very visual interest. Paved pathway. Follow flagstones or gravel pathways that wind through the garden. These paths offer delightful surprises around every corner, leading you to hidden spot of beauty. Bird houses and feeders. Spot whimsical bird houses and feeder nested among the bloom. They not only attract birds but also enhance the garden rustic charm. This cottage garden tour captured the essence of a place where natural embarrassed meet human creativity. It's a regret of solace and aesthetic convex and a testament to the beauty of simplicity. As you leave this virtual tour, you carry the spirit to the cottage garden timeless with you.